Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic that what is infrastructure as a service or IaaS. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in technology and you want to learn about it. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, infrastructure as a service or IaaS is basically a type of a cloud computing. Cloud computing means that all the services, either the software services or the hardware, network, database, so all those things will be available on the remote server, and you are using those services on a pay as a go or subscription basis. Like whatever the you will use, you will pay for only for that. For example, if you have used for 1 month, so you will pay for only for 1 month. Okay, so that is the main concept of cloud computing. So infrastructure as a service, IaaS, is a type of a cloud computing. Basically, in the IaaS, the cloud provider manages IT infrastructure such as storage, server, network, and resources as well. And basically, also it includes virtual machines accessible through the internet. IaaS can have many benefits for organizations, such as potentially making workloads faster, easier, more flexible, and more cost efficient as well. So IaaS infrastructure as a service is a very important aspect or type of cloud computing in which all the storage, server, network resources are reside on the remote server, and you are using those services on the subscription basis, and you are only paying for that. Now in the IaaS model, a cloud provider hosts the infrastructure component that are traditionally present in one on-premises data center. This includes the servers, storage, and networking hardware as well. IaaS basically has following things like detailed billing, monitoring, log access, security, load balancing, clustering, and storage resiliency such as backup, replication, and recovery. So basically, friend, that I'm sure that you can notice easily that all the on-premises services which normally reside in the local environment are basically nowadays available on the remote servers. Okay, like for example, you can see from here the compute, storage, load balancing, networking. So all those things are available nowadays on a remote server, and you can use it accordingly. If we talk about the advantages about IaaS, organizations choose IaaS because it is often easier, faster, cost efficient to operate workload without having to buy, manage, and support the underlying infrastructure. It is a biggest advantage of the IaaS. IaaS is effective cloud service model for workload that are temporary, experimental, or that change expectedly. For example, if business is developing a new software product, it might be more cost effective to host and test the applications using IaaS provider. Now, once the new software is tested and refined, the business can remove it from the IaaS environment for a more traditional in-house deployment. Conversely, the business could commit that piece of software to a long-term IaaS deployment. If we talk about the disadvantages of IaaS, friend, despite it is pay as a you go model, that means you are only paying for the services which you are using. IaaS billing can be a problem for some business. Cloud billing is extremely granular, and it is broken out to reflect the precise use of services. It is common for users to experience sticker shock or finding costs to be higher than expected when reviewing the bills for every resource and service involved in application development. So the billing is also very much difficult, or you can say more complicated in the case of the IaaS, because you are using the infrastructure. Another common problem for IaaS is insight about users, because IaaS providers own the infrastructure. The details of their infrastructure configuration and performance are rarely transparent to IaaS users. This lack of transparency can make system management and monitoring more difficult for users. So you can see easily, friend, that there are few advantages and there are few disadvantages of the infrastructure as a service as well. So it depends on you that whatever the suitable environment for you, for your organization, you can take the decision accordingly. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.